Good morning, students. Myself Gyanendra Kumar Verma, your IP teacher. Today I am going to start operation on relations in query form. I have already told you about the operations on relations. Total 5 operations on relations are to be covered. 4 out of them are covered. Now I am going to discuss about the queries that will be passed on the operations. The operations, as you all know, operations on relations, the first operation was union. Union operator denoted by U, but the query can also be applied on this. Here one thing you can see that the relational algebra operations are taken from set theory. Here you can see that they are depicted in bold letters. The bold letters show that these things are in your syllabus, and the letters which are not bold, those are not covered in your syllabus. But I am going to discuss about everything. Here unary relational operations. Unary, as you all know, there are 3 unary relational operators: sigma, pi, and rename. Sigma pi, first I am going to discuss about. Sigma means to select the row, pi means to select the column. Project, select operation sigma, project operation pi. Now, the relational algebra operations from set theory: union, intersection, difference, and Cartesian product. Basically, I have discussed all these. Join is left, it will be covered in the next section. Now we are going to see these 4 operations. Actually 3 operations. Cartesian product query form has already been told to you yesterday. Union, intersection, and difference. Query form of union, intersection, and difference will be covered here. First operation on relation is unary. We have taken 2 tables, course and student. Here you can see it. There are 2 tables, course and student. Course table has 3 columns: course ID, student name, student ID. And student table has student ID, student name, and student age. One column is common. So while taking the union, this column is projected. Column name is selected through pi. So here you can see query in the form of relational algebra. Pi student name is a column, and from table course union, once again we can see here relational query, and SQL query is above it. Pi means to project or to select the column. Column is student name from course union, pi student name from student. One column is taken, it is a common column, and the output we have obtained: Freya, Chandu, Praveen, Lokesh, Rinku, Mohak. Freya, all the students are selected here from both the tables, and the repeated name is written once. You can see clearly in the table. Understood? Now MySQL query, in the simplest way of MySQL query, you can see here. Select student name from course. This is clear to all of you? Union is a clause. You can see clearly union is a clause here. This clause is union clause. Simply 2 queries are written joined by the union clause. Select student name from course union. Select student name from a student. Order by city need not be required. Here ordering is done. Ordering of what? Student name according to city need not be required. Only union is important here. Now we will move to the next intersection. Intersection, as I have already discussed, intersection is nothing but taking the common values from both the tables. Similarly, intersection can be performed on the same two tables. Intersection is performed. Pi student name, here you can see relational query here. Pi means to select a column student name from course, intersection student name from a student. Common value will be taken, common name. A particular column is selected here. Since all the columns are not similar, a particular column is only selected. Common names are Priya, Mohak, Praveen, Lokesh. Clear? Similarly, the query. Relational query you have seen, SQL query. Now you can see here SQL query. Select course dot student name. Course dot student name means student name selected from course table, first table course. Okay. Student, कोर्स और स्टूडेंट दोनों में से सिलेक्ट किया गया है. Select course dot student name. A particular table is given from which student name is selected. Okay, where course dot student name is equal to student dot student name. This sub clause checks for equality. You can see clearly. Course means table name. Alias may be also given. C dot student name is equal to S dot student name. Where student name is common, the student name is selected. Okay, we will move to the next. Minus or set difference. A minus B means only A. I have already discussed. Now you can see query. Simplest form of query. There is a correction in the query. You may note it for correction. Here, select C dot student name. In place of C, there will be S. From student as A. As A की जगह पे S लिखा जाएगा. स्टूडेंट का एलियास S दिया गया है. ओके. लेफ्ट ज्वाइन. लेफ्ट ज्वाइन मीन्स the left part is selected. Here you can see clearly there are two tables, course and student, but minus operation is performed as student minus course, not course minus student. Student minus course. Hence we are getting those two values, Chandu and Rinku here. Chandu and Rinku as output. Those names which are covered in student table and not in course table, and common names are also rejected. Only those names which are new in student table are given as output. So the query is written as, here you can see clearly, SQL query. Select S from student name, make it a correction, from student as S, left join course as C. Next on is a clause. On के बाद condition लिखी जाती है. S dot student name is equal to C dot student name. Means the values which are common. The values which are common are rejected and only left join is performed. Means the new values on the left side are selected and given as output. Chandu and Rinku are the values. In relational form, relational algebra form, this you can see relational. Let us write a query to select the student names that are present in a student table but not present in course table. Means student minus course. Okay, Column names means we have to perform project pi. Pi student name from student table minus pi student name from course. This is very simple. You can see. Okay. So that's all for today's topic. Make a note of it, please. And this is a very important SQL part. Now we will start join tomorrow. So make a note, and also side by side do your assignments given on the back pages of the book. Thank you.